Dubai is one of the most prominent cities in the United Arab Emirates, UAE, and is renowned worldwide for its futuristic skyline, luxurious lifestyle, and cultural vibrancy. Situated on the southeastern coast of the Persian Gulf, Dubai has transformed from a small fishing village into a global metropolis in just a few decades. Iconic skyline. Dubai is famous for its awe-inspiring skyscrapers, including the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, towering at over 828 meters. Other notable landmarks include the sail-shaped Burj Al Arab Hotel, the twisting Cayan Tower, and the Emirates Towers. Modern architecture. The city is a playground for architects and engineers, with numerous cutting-edge structures that push the boundaries of design. It's not uncommon to see innovative buildings that defy gravity and convention. Luxury lifestyle. Dubai is synonymous with luxury and opulence. It boasts some of the world's most luxurious hotels, high-end shopping malls, gourmet restaurants, and extravagant entertainment venues. The city caters to the affluent with its lavish amenities and services. Cultural diversity. Despite its modernity, Dubai retains its cultural heritage and is home to a diverse population comprising people from various nationalities and backgrounds. This cultural tapestry is reflected in the city's cuisine, arts, and festivals. Tourist attractions. Dubai offers a plethora of tourist attractions, ranging from thrilling theme parks like IMG Worlds of Adventure and Dubai Parks and Resorts to serene desert safaris and pristine beaches. Visitors can also explore traditional souks, markets, such as the Gold Souk and Spice Souk, to experience the city's vibrant trading heritage. Business hub. Dubai is a thriving business hub and a global center for trade, finance, and tourism. Its strategic location, state-of-the-art infrastructure, and business-friendly environment attract multinational corporations and entrepreneurs from around the world. Innovative projects. The city is known for its ambitious projects, such as the Palm Islands, artificial archipelagos shaped like palm trees, and the World, an archipelago of artificial islands resembling a world map. These projects demonstrate Dubai's penchant for pushing boundaries and redefining what's possible. Year-round. Sunshine. Dubai enjoys a sunny climate year-round, making it an ideal destination for outdoor activities and leisure pursuits. However, temperatures can soar during the summer months,